Hey everybody, Lucas Purden here from Paul Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to do a walk around on a new 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus, stock number 28337T. It's dark crystal metallic in color. Down low we got the fog lights, the chrome trim, "17" alloy wheels. Inside doors we have power everything, windows, locks, and mirrors, power seat controls, premium cloth interior. The steering wheel has all your controls for your cruise control, radio, and your voice recognition phone calls. The dash has the 7-inch touchscreen Uconnect interface. Center console with storage down below with your USB ports. The back we have power doors. The rear entertainment system for the kids. Seats fold down to stow and go. Easy access to the back third row. This vehicle seats 7 comfortably. The back has the power lift gate. And the back seats will fold flat for extra storage. You got plenty of storage as it is with the seats up. Storage bins on the side. Again, we got a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Touring Plus, stock number 28337T. I'm Lucas Purden. Don't forget to visit us online at paulsherrychrysler.com.